Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's get into the content. So today I would like to discuss on a very trending topic, that is, artificial intelligence. In this video I would give some brief introduction on this topic. Later, I would post more videos under this artificial intelligence tutorial. I will also cover various topics related to AI like deep learning, machine learning, neural networks, intelligent agents and few algorithms. So, let's start with the most emerging question: what is artificial intelligence? It is nothing but an intelligence machine. A machine which reduces man work by automating the things. A machine which includes human skills like decision making and visual perception, also which performs multiple tasks. In the latest times, they are also designed in such a way that they understand the human emotions. In general terms, artificial means imitation. Intelligence means brilliance or the power of brain, which means it's the imitation of brilliance that human beings persist. Few example are AI games, self-driving cars, humanoid robot Sophia, translators, and many more. This is about the introduction of AI. Do share your views on this video and also share your thoughts in comment section. My next video would be on the importance, goals, and algorithms of artificial intelligence. Until then, stay safe and healthy. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.